New from Janus technology. The colour wheel driver for Control4 provides a unique, colourful and intuitive interface for compatible RGB lighting drivers. Rotate the colour wheel object on the touchscreen to cycle through colours, or click a position on the wheel to discreetly select a colour. Use the slider control to adjust the brightness. Choose a previously defined lighting scene or save a new scene easily by pressing and holding a scene button. Setup is a breeze. Drag the colour wheel driver into your project in Composer. Obtain a license key from www.janustechnology.co.uk and paste it in. Then finally add a UI button in the Guest Services agent and you are good to go. It really is that quick and easy. The list of currently supported lighting drivers includes Rayco, Collingwood and Philips Hue and is growing all the time. Add a wow factor to any installation with Colour Wheel for Control4 by Janus Technology. Available now.